Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. Today, we're diving into a common issue with LG TVs. Error code 105 from 2025. If your LG TV is displaying this error, it might be related to network problems, software glitches, or even a simple connectivity hiccup. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the fixes step by step, so you can get back to binge watching your favorite shows in no time. This process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes. First things first, let's start with the easiest fix, a simple restart. Turn off your LG TV using the remote or the power button on the TV itself. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Turn the TV on and see if the error code disappears. This often resolves temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, check your network connections. Error code 105 is frequently linked to Wi-Fi issues. Ensure your TV is connected to a stable internet source. Go to the Settings menu on your LG TV, usually found by pressing the Home button on your remote. Navigate to Network or Connections and select Wi-Fi Setup. Make sure you're connected to your network and that the signal is strong. If needed, restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Next, update your TV's software. Outdated firmware can cause errors like this. In the Settings menu, go to Support or About this TV, then select Software Update or check for updates. Download and install any available updates, as LG regularly releases patches for bugs. If the problem persists, try a factory reset as a last resort. But be careful. This will erase your personalized settings. Go to Settings, General, Reset to Initial Settings. You'll need to set up your TV again after this, so only do it if you're desperate. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix LG TV error code 105. If it still doesn't work, consider reaching out to LG support or checking online forums for more specific advice. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.